In this video, I'd like to take a quick look at how the WhatsApp system works within the Biz AI system. We've already made sure that we have connected a WhatsApp number. This was done in a previous video. And we've also then made sure that we have created a template which allows us to initiate a conversation to a customer. Any WhatsApp message that you receive will be contained in the AI inbox, which is located in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen by clicking Inbox. This takes you through to the WhatsApp inbox. Here, you will find a list of all WhatsApp messages that have been sent to your connected WhatsApp number. There's a few things you would notice once you are in here. The first will be the folders. Currently, we've got the inbox, then we've got actioned, sent, and archived. If you need to deal with a particular message and you felt that you have now sufficiently dealt with this, you can simply drag and drop the message into the actioned folder, and that will move the message from your inbox through to actioned, and you'll see that your inbox messages are now clear. This is a way for you to better manage just messages that you've dealt with. The thing to remember here is that should your customer reply to you, it would still then go through to the same actioned message, and it will not go through to your inbox. You can then simply move this message back to the inbox if you need to continue dealing with it. You can similarly create new folders if you need to, depending on your business needs. You may have a support folder that you'd like to create. Once you create it, the folder will appear within the folders list, and you can then also move conversations to those folders. You're welcome to delete this if you need to. One of the things you will notice in our system, and this is a way that we have configured the inbox so that it helps you manage the chaos of receiving multiple messages, is that we've introduced a smart label system. And how it works is when a new message comes in via a new thread, you will see the message being tagged. It will have a new tag or label. In this particular instance, the message has been labeled as follow up. Now, this happens automatically as our system is designed that way. And what follow up means is that you have responded to this customer, and the customer now needs to come back to you, or you need to follow up with the customer for whatever reason. If you've dealt with this conversation, like we've seen previously, you can simply move it to the action folder if you need to. If you have not responded to the customer, the system will flag this message as reply pending. Now, this happens automatically. As you will see, I have responded to this conversation, and you will notice that as the response comes in, our system automatically tags it as reply pending. So this just helps you better manage all of the conversations coming in. And it works the same across WhatsApp, email, or any other mailbox that's connected in here. Now, from here, you also have the option to not maybe deal with this conversation right now. Maybe you're busy, and what you'd like to do is have this remind you in an hour or 3 hours or whenever you choose. What you can also do from here is select customer 360-degree view. What this does is it shows you a list of every single activity that's happened with this customer throughout the customer lifecycle. And if you are using our CRM facility, then within Snapshot, you'll be able to see if this customer owes you any money in terms of invoices, if there are any quotations outstanding, or if there are any support tickets outstanding. And then you can also see if there are any messages that have been previously sent. The system also auto labels the name of the person that has been dealing with this conversation. As you can see, in this case, it's called tutorial D, but in your case, it would be the person's name that you have configured in the user section. Then from here, you are able to obviously respond directly to the customer. You can add an attachment, or you can send a voice note if you need to. AI actions allow you to reassign the lead to a new person within the organization. You can also forward the conversation from here directly via email or WhatsApp to an external party. So, this comes in handy if you have somebody outside of your organization that wants to have a view of what's going on in this particular conversation. You are also able to send a new WhatsApp message directly from here by clicking on the new button. You can send a new WhatsApp, a new email, or an SMS message. If you click on WhatsApp, you get the option of choosing a particular customer. This would be customers available in your customer database. If you are sending it to a new person, you're welcome to just type in the number. And the only way that you will be able to initiate a message is by using an approved template. Right now, we don't have any approved templates in here, but if we did, then the template would appear here. That's it for the quick tutorial on how the WhatsApp system works. What we also have available is within the settings gear icon here, you are able to configure a SLA or a time limit for how long you would want a message to sit in your AI inbox before somebody attends to it. So here you could say that I would want a message to sit in the inbox for 1 hour before before it is escalated to a manager. So that is set up within the settings gear icon. That's it for the basic introduction into WhatsApp and how it works in the Biz AI system. Thank you.